Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you hate washing your hair as much as I do, then you're going to want to get yourself a great dry shampoo. This one smells so good. It smells like coconut. It nourishes, it protects the hair, and it helps replenish your hair. So I know I'm getting a ton of good ingredients that are really going to help my hair, as well as help absorb any excess oil that is on my scalp. And I also love that this doesn't create a white residue. There's a lot of dry shampoos out there, whether they're white or they're brown, they leave a film in your hair. This one is completely clear, so it does its job without any color. The fragrance isn't harsh. It is not like you're spraying a perfume or like a hairspray that's going to choke you when you spray it. It is very light and very pleasant to deal with. So take off the cap, apply it to wherever your roots are showing. So you just take it like a hairspray. So after you've sprayed it, you're going to go through and just massage it gently into the roots. And what this is going to do, it is going to absorb any excess oil, but it's also going to help create more volume so that the hair doesn't look flat and dry. So I'm going to spray it on a few different sections of my hair. We want to get it all the way through. So we'll want to get some under our part here, some around the back, and then just work it all the way through the strands. So our hair is ready to go for another day. We get to skip another wash. So this is a really fabulous dry shampoo, and that is my point of view.